Hello kids, Shubhamangalam Eclectic Scholar, myself Sudeep. I'll be taking up chapter number 1, the continuation of the study material from 51 to 80 now. So here, okay, class 10th, we are at, we were doing the study material in the previous video. We need to continue with it and complete it till 80. So let's do it. It's pretty easy. Let's do it together. Come to page number 24, the 51st one. The line which passes to the center of curvature and the pole. So if I draw the diagram something like this, and the line which is passing to the pole and the center of curvature, what is this horizontal line called as? Principal axis. So 51 is option B. 52. The relation between the focal length and the radius of curvature. R is equal to 2f. You can alter the formula and write it as f is equal to r by 2. So 52nd one is C. 53rd. When parallel rays are incident on a convex mirror. Okay. They are telling that the parallel rays are incident on a convex mirror. Okay. So it is going to get reflected back. Remember, this is rule number 1 as what I guess. Okay, the parallel rays are incident on a convex mirror. The rays are going to reflect and diverge. Okay, and it's going to appear as if it is coming from the focus. Okay, that's what I know. Okay, so that's correct also. When parallel rays are incident on a convex mirror, after reflection they appear to come from the focal point. You can see the reflected ray appears to be coming from the focal point. So 53rd one is option B. 54th one. According to sign convention, the distance which is measured in the direction of the incident light. If you are going to measure the distance in the direction of the incident light, it is going to be positive. Against the direction of the incident light, it is going to be negative. So 54th one is option A. 55. The mirrors of that shape are used in solar cookers. Remember, I told you solar cookers is very important for 1 or 2 marks. It is nothing but the concave mirrors which are used in solar cookers. So 55 is option B. If an object is placed at C, you see that the object is placed at the center of curvature and has a size 5 centimeters. The size of the object at the center of curvature is 5 centimeters. If I place the object at the center of curvature, the resultant image is going to be real, inverted and of the same size. So what are they asking us? Then the size of the image is dash. It is going to be 5 centimeters again, because I just told you if I place the object at the center of curvature, the size of the image and the size of the object are going to be the same. Okay, 57th one. If the focal length of the concave mirror is 20 centimeters, we get the virtual image if the object is placed at a distance lesser than 20. Okay, only if you place the object between P and F. F is 20, you need to place it somewhere at 15 or 10 to get a virtual image. So 57th one is A, lesser than 20. 58th one, page number 25. Page number 25, 58th one, dash is called converging mirror, concave, and convex is called as diverging mirror. So 58th one is option B. 59, dash is called diverging mirror. I just answered this, it is convex. 60, the rays coming from object parallel to the principal axis. Parallel to the principal axis, where is the image from? Focus. Will converge at dash. It will converge at focus. 61, if the light falls on the concave mirror, parallel to the principal axis, it passes through dash after reflection. It passes through the focus after reflection. That is the rule number 1 for the ray diagram. 61 is option C. 62. If light passes through the focus and falls on the concave mirror after reflection, it will be parallel to the principal axis. Rule number 2 of drawing the ray diagrams. 62 is option A. Image distance is negative for dash images. Which kind of images? Real, because they are inverted. So image distance is always going to be negative because they are going to be measured from the pole. And whenever they are measured from the pole, the real images are formed on the right side. Okay, it's going to be like this. If this is the concave mirror, for real images, it is going to be on the right side. And this is going to be the pole. So the measurement is going to start from the pole against the direction of the incident light. Okay, so that is why the image distance is going to be negative for a real image. If it was a virtual image, it will be formed behind the mirror from pole to this. This means it is going in direction of the incident light. This is your incident light, this distance. If this is the image, okay, if this is the image which is formed behind the mirror and it is virtual. This is real. I want to measure the virtual image distance. If I measure the virtual image distance, I see I am measuring it from the pole. Even though I am measuring it from the pole, I am going in the direction of the incident light. So the virtual image distance is going to be positive. Whereas when I'm measuring the real image distance, the distance is going to be negative because I'm going against the incident light. Okay, so what is the answer for 63rd one? 63rd one is A. 64. The height of the object and image are positive. Positive if they are measured above. They are negative if they are measured below. This is the sign convention. 64 is option A. 65. The height of the object and image are negative. Just answer. It is downward. If the height of the object and image are below or downward the principal axis, they are taken as negative. 65 is option B. 66. The image that we get by extending the rays backward. If I extend the rays backward, which kind of image am I getting? I'm getting the virtual image. 66 is option A. 67. The minimum distance of an object from a concave mirror for which the mirror forms a real image. What is the minimum distance? C. Yes or no? What is C then? P to C. That is radius. What is the value of radius? R is equal to 2F. 67th one is option B. 68. The image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be virtual, erect and larger than the object. In which case, when I place the object between P and F, where should be the position of the object? Between P and F. Which option class? 68th one is A. 69. Can you see the diagram over there? It is the diagram of a convex mirror where the incident light is parallel to the principal axis and the reflected light is diverging and appears as if it is coming from the focus. This figure shows that. Please turn the page to page number 27. 26. What options are correct? It is a convex mirror, of course. It is a concave mirror, no. It forms a virtual image, all the convex mirrors. In any cases, they are going to form virtual images. So option D is correct. 1 and 3 are correct. 69 is option B. 70. The angle of reflection in the case. Can you see both the arrows in the same line? Okay, this is when the incident ray is passing through the center of curvature and the reflected ray is also in the center of curvature. So the angle formed is 0. Okay, so 70 is option C. 71. A concave mirror is made by cutting a portion of a hollow glass sphere of radius. The radius is given as 24. Focal length. R is equal to 2F. Half of the radius is my focal length. Half of 24 is how much? 12. 71 is option A. 72. Choose the correct statements regarding the laws of reflection. Angle of reflection equal to angle of incidence. Yes, that's correct. Incident ray, the normal and the point of incidence and the reflected ray lie in the same plane. B is also correct. Frequency of the incident light changes, not our consideration. Velocity and wavelength, not our consideration. A and B is correct. Option number B, 72. 73. In case of normal incidence. Normal incidence is, this example. In question number 70, you have a diagram, no? That case is called as normal incidence, where the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal ray coincide with each other and there is only one line which is undeviated. Such kind of cases are called as normal incidence, where the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, so 73rd one is option C. 74th, Fermat's principle. Light takes the least path possible. Okay, it's that. It is in dispersion of light chapter. Okay, human eye, really far, but I've told you this, so please. Okay, Fermat principle. Applicable for reflection of light. Yes. Okay, and what else is it applicable for? Light selects the path which takes the least time to travel. That's also correct. It is also applicable for refraction. That's also correct. Light selects the path which takes maximum time to travel. No, that's wrong. So 1, 2 and 3 are correct. So it's 74th one is option A. 75. Radius of curvature is twice its focal length. 75 is C. 76. Which of the following mirror is used by dentist? Concave mirror use. Okay, so 76 is A. 77. Which of the following mirror is used by Archimedes? Again concave. Option number C. Archimedes used these mirrors to burn ships, Roman ships. Okay, 78th one. The magnification of an object is placed at a distance of 6 centimeters in front of a concave mirror is -3. Let's note this down. The magnification is given as -3. The object distance is given as -6 centimeters. They're asking us to find out. What are they asking us, class? Okay, it means, fine. What is the formula of magnification? M is equal to -V by U. M value is given as -3. Object is placed in front of the concave mirror at 6 centimeter distance. In front of the concave mirror means I need to take the sign as minus over here. So -V by -6. Can I multiply 6 into 3 now? What do I get? -3 into -6 is going to give me 18. Plus 18. Minus into minus is plus, is equal to -V. The minus of this V transfers to this. So V is equal to -18 centimeters. This means the image is formed at 18 centimeters in front of the concave mirror. Which option, class? Option number C. Please note this down. Okay, 78th one is option C. Dentists use dash to observe teeth. Are they going to use convex? No. They are going to use concave because it gives you a bigger image. Enlarged image. 79th is A. If you use a convex one, it will give you a much tinier image. 80. Convex mirror is used as dash. The vehicle mirror, rear view mirror. Option C. Okay, there we go. So please note down Sakshi. Physics Sakshi. Classwork. Chapter 1. Objectives. Done. Homework. Read. Chapter 1. So the next video we are going to start chapter number 2, chemical equations, something very important. So please go through chapter number 1, pretty easy. Thank you, class.